Pan controls are adjusted with a slider control, or by dragging the grey circle on the position indicators. Each individual parameter has its own on-off switch. Active elements of the pan are indicated by the black area on the pan display. Switching on the LFE control sends signal to the LFE leg of mains and groups. The non-LFE control adjusts the signal level in the left, right, centre and surround legs. Tap the front format button to reveal the front options, which includes enabling a centre leg in the front left-right pan. Tap LCR divergence and the front divergence control becomes available, which is used to control the signal ratio between the centre and LR legs. The Centre Only button in the control window header sends the source to the centre leg of the destination. All panning can be bypassed by tapping the Bypass button. A bypass indicator is displayed on the Processing tab. For surround channels or groups, pan controls are not applicable. See the Surround Spill video 2.9.3 for more information on surround spill levels.